Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do voiceover in VN Video Editor. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to open the VN application, the VN Video Editor. And after that, once you've added your video, you need to click on this option that you see here. Tap on Add Music here, and as soon as you click on it, you'll get this option. You need to click on this option, and now you'll see the option appear in front of you. Editing voiceover. For example, I'll start it from here. As soon as you want to start, you just press on it. You have to click on it and then end it. Now, from here, you can click on it to listen to the voice as well, and this way, you can do voiceovers in VN Video Editor. So, that was today's video. I hope you'll like it. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon.